What's up, guys? Welcome to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. The Pixel 11 Pro might look like another yearly upgrade on the surface, but the real story is happening underneath. Google appears ready to fix years of Pixel frustrations with smarter hardware choices, a new generation Tensor chip, deeper AI integration, and changes that could completely reshape where Pixel phones go next. Let's dive right into the video, because the Pixel 11 Pro isn't just about adding a few new features. It's about Google finally addressing the areas where fans have been asking for improvements for years. The first major change could be the move that nobody sees when they pick up the phone, the Tensor G6 processor. For years, Pixel phones have had incredible software intelligence, but struggled against rivals when it came to heat, efficiency, and sustained performance. The Pixel 11 Pro could represent a major turning point because reports suggest Google may shift production away from Samsung and toward TSMC. That decision matters more than just a benchmark number. Better chip manufacturing means improved efficiency, lower temperatures, and potentially much better battery life. Instead of chasing raw power like some competitors, Google seems focused on creating a chip that quietly makes everything smoother, from camera processing to AI tasks running in the background. And that leads into the second hidden upgrade. The Pixel 11 Pro could become one of Google's biggest AI devices yet. With Android 17 and deeper Gemini integration, the phone may become less like a tool you control and more like an assistant that understands your habits. The interesting part is that Google isn't only improving AI features you can see. The bigger change is how AI could disappear into everyday actions. Smarter editing, better photo suggestions, improved multitasking, and more natural automation could make the phone feel faster without necessarily changing the design. Speaking of design, Google seems to be taking a very careful approach. The Pixel 11 Pro reportedly keeps the recognizable camera bar, but small changes like thinner bezels, new colors, and a possible all-black camera design shows something important. Google doesn't want to copy everyone else. It wants the Pixel identity to become instantly recognizable. But there's one rumored feature that could separate it from every other flagship: Pixel Glow. If this turns out to be real, the back of the phone could use a lighting system for notifications when the device is face down. It sounds like a small addition, but these are exactly the details that make a phone memorable. Because let's be honest, most smartphone brands are fighting over the same features now. Bigger screens, faster charging, more cameras, everyone does that. The companies that stand out are the ones adding personality. Now, before we continue, a quick word from our friends at Wolver/Wolver. If you're someone who follows tech closely and wants smarter tools and solutions that fit into your daily routine, it's worth checking out what they're building. The reason it connects with today's topic is simple. The future of technology isn't only about powerful devices, it's about making those devices actually useful. Another area where Google could surprise people is the display. The Pixel 11 Pro may keep a familiar size, but a newer OLED material could bring higher brightness, better colors, and improved efficiency. That means better outdoor visibility and potentially longer battery life without increasing the battery size. The camera system is also expected to remain one of the biggest selling points. Pixel has always been about computational photography, and the Pixel 11 Pro could push that further with upgraded sensors and more AI-powered video features. The goal isn't just taking sharper photos, it's making every shot easier, especially in difficult lighting. Now, if you're enjoying these deep dives, make sure you're subscribed. More than 70% of people watching aren't subscribed yet, and joining this channel isn't just about clicking a button. It's about becoming part of a community that looks beyond marketing and actually breaks down what these changes mean. The biggest question with the Pixel 11 Pro is whether Google has finally found the balance. Previous Pixels were loved for their cameras and software, but criticized for hardware limitations. This time, Google appears to be attacking those weaknesses directly. The design may not scream new phone. The specs may not chase every extreme number. But if the Tensor G6, battery improvements, AI upgrades, and camera refinements all come together, the Pixel 11 Pro could become the device that changes how people view Google's flagship strategy. And the interesting part is what happens after this. Because if Google really fixes these long-standing Pixel problems, does that mean future Galaxy and iPhone competition will have to rethink what a flagship smartphone is supposed to be? Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.